In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can adjust game volume here on Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to actually adjust your game volume, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings. And once you're inside your settings, go ahead and go over to the audio tab just like so and select the basic tab up at the very top. And here you're going to see a full list of all of the audio options you can customize, including master volume, sound effects, music, lobby, voice chat volume, and of course microphone volume as well. You can turn each of these up or down individually depending on what you want to hear more or less of in game, and you can even choose your audio output device such as your headphones or speakers so that sound is optimized for how you're listening. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, just back out and your settings will be saved automatically. But that is it. That is how you can adjust your game volume and audio settings here in Marvel Rivals. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.